how to use your Amex gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can use your American Express gift card, so just make sure to watch this very video till the very end. Now, in order to use or activate or redeem your American Express gift card, you first of all have to come to the official website, which is amexgiftcard.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. So you want to go to amexgiftcard.com, and then once you land on this website, you're gonna see this type of interface where normally if you are using on your mobile phone, you have to tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side here, and then here you'll find all these sorts of various options, and then here you'll find a section where it says check balance. So that is where we want to go. We want to tap on the check balance button here. Once you tap on the option called check balance, you're going to come to this page where it says manage your card. It says enter your card details to check your balance, and you can see it says manage and activate your card, no fees after purchase, card is replaceable if lost or stolen, funds do not expire, and use online and in store. So basically what you have to do is just make sure to enter your gift card number over here, which is normally a 15 digits gift card number, and you want to make sure to simply enter the expiration date as well as the expiration year, the security code, which is also sometimes referred to as the CVV or the CVC code. Sometimes it's 3 digits, sometimes it's 4 digits. Then you want to simply enter the email address, which is optional by the way. Then just tap on continue, and then your card will be successfully redeemed and then used it, and then you can use that for online retails and purchases. This is how you can use the American Express gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.